And
hi, welcome to Katie's Palace. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Hi. Oh, this is my teacup.
what do you got in there, baby?
Hot cocoa.
Okay. What do you got here?
I got magnets.
Magnets?
Yeah, so I need this and the blocks. I need all this stuff. I need the doggy. Put her right there for now. That's where we can do
What's the name of your doggy?
Funcha.
What?
Funcha.
Yeah, one more time.
Funcha.
Funcha?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's still gonna be the window. So
That's the window.
yeah, and this is the door. Okay.
Ooh.
F those a little bit.
That's
Then
nice.
went off the other one. Okay. Whoa. Can't let it down. I can't let it move.
That's a nice little car.
And excellent as I need to.
You gonna close it? You should throw your puppy in there. That's your puppy's house.
Yeah. That's where it keeps away from the shark.
From the what?
The shark.
From the shark? This shark?
Yeah. Oh my god. I don't know. How can he shark? I'm a superhero girl.
Oh, it looks nice.
You don't need one right here because this is another, like a different house. Whoa!
Uh-oh.
It was pretty falling where I took off one part and start all over again. I can use whatever toy I want.
Do it as tall as possible.
Yeah.
Go and do it tall.
Tall.
Yes.
I know it's gonna fall.
It's gonna fall.
To fall. Ah!
Go ahead, baby. You can try it though.
Oh my god. Oh. Let's see what does that because it's not gonna break that way. The shark is gonna get in that way.
Let's see how tall you can go. So that's one floor,
Two.
2 floors.
Oh no.
And what colors do we have?
So we have my favorite color, blue, purple.
Where's blue?
Right there. Right here. Right here.
Point. Okay, so that's blue. What other colors do we have?
Oh, good. Hold on. I was burning. Okay. So purple
Where's purple?
and
I can't
Peach,
see purple.
red.
Where's purple?
right here and right here.
Okay.
And purple, the whole car.
whole car.
And blue and blue.
Okay.
And red. And yellow, orange. That's it.
That's it.
That's all the colors. Yeah. I don't know, the shark is gonna get that in there.
I don't
You
know.
know how
That
big-
seems way too tall for the shark.
He's not gonna.
He's not gonna be able to reach out there.
I need that set. So. She's really not in there?
Ooh, how many floors is that so far?
Whoa.
1. Count with me. 2. 3. It's okay. You're pushing it down, baby. You're pushing it down. Don't let it go down.
Ah! Oh, what's the other one? Oh, there it is.
Push it.
Right there. Okay, we need this for the elevator.
Where's the elevator?
This is the elevator.
Okay.
So, do right there. What? Okay, what? We're gonna... So, that's right there. That's the
Ooh.
Oh no. This together. That's it. And wait, this. There you go. That's the elevator. That's it. That's the puppy song.
I have more right there, though.
Huh?
I have more right there.
Yeah. So I'm gonna put this on top of the elevator. No, because it's gonna fall. That's it. Now put the puppy in there.
Put the puppy.
Here.
Flip him this way. Puppy. That's a big house for the puppy, huh?
Yeah. Shrike is not gonna get that. Wait until the shrike comes.
I don't know, you better be careful.
Daddy, don't do it again. You can get it from up there.
So show us your house. So you're all done with your house?
Yeah, she's right there.
Ooh.
You pushed too hard.
Sorry.
It's okay.
You want to show us your drums?
Oh yeah.
Kaylene.
Oh hi. I was just sleeping.
You're sleeping.
Yeah, I was sleeping in my head. Okay, I have my drums, the sparkles, and I have my
The
hair and my
sparkles?
drums.
But do you know how to play your drums? Yeah?
Yeah,
Okay. Let me see your sticks.
pink.
Oh, you got pink sticks?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. Okay. Show me what you know. Wow. Cool. Look at
And another one.
Good job, Kaylene. Good. Okay, what if I try playing something with you?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Okay, that's for today's video. I hope you like it. Make sure to thumbs up and click the bell button. See you next time. Bye.